Alright guys, I kind of got engine heaven over here. This is a Cougar motor. And I know I still have to go over the oil pan a little bit. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. So I'm currently getting ready and starting the mask so I can do the black on the intake manifold. I think it's gonna end up looking pretty good. I got the water pump all finished over here. That looks good. I like that. But yeah, I'm gonna finish masking this side. Just protect it, and then I'll tape around all the edges. Make sure all the blue is safe. And then it'll be some touch-up work. Because there's like a couple spots where you can kind of see the, like down in there. Some I gotta get that all painted. So I'm gonna do the black, let all that dry, and then go and do touch-ups. Doing pretty good. Hopefully, when you guys see me next, I'll have this all masked off and ready to paint, and then after that, it'll be painted. Later. Alrighty, we are all masked off and ready for the black paint. So I'm gonna drag this outside and spritz it with some black. Get the valve train covered, and we're all draped off. I made sure I did a thorough job. So hopefully I'll have this done by the end of the day.